Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to assemble the stand of Philips Beeline monitor. To assemble its stand, it's very simple. All you need to do is first of all take this part and screw it onto the stand. So you can see there's a screw on the bottom. It is easy to screw it in with fingers because you can see there is this thing right here that you can hold on to. So basically all you need to do is position the stand like that. You'll see these two notches here. They need to go inside correctly, so put them in first, then slide everything in just like that. Now I'll try to show that on the camera. Yeah, you can see there's this screw. You can screw it in with fingers, as I said. Okay, now you can see everything works. The base rotates as well. And the last thing is attaching the monitor to the stand. And it's also a very simple process because all you need to do, you'll also see two notches here at the top. Just slide the monitor onto those notches like that. Then you'll hear a click when the bottom part of the mount will attach, and it's basically all done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.